Okay, I think I just recorded this, but I don't know if I did or not, so I'm going to do it again. Here's a vise I got just recently. This is all I got, the leg vise with no hinge, spring, no mounting bracket, and no screw in the back part here. It's just this. I got an idea what I want to do with this, but right now you can see this jaw is way out of alignment. Just about all of them I've seen, they're out of alignment a little bit, but I want to see if I can fix this. If I can fix this one, I can tweak all those others to get them lined up just a little bit better. After looking at it from several angles, I think it's the solid jaw here that's bent and not the movable jaw. So I'm going to try to bend this jaw over to get it back in alignment with this one. Let me show you how I'm going to do it. Got a big old pipe wrench here. But the last thing I want to do is mar the side of this up any more than I have to. So I got some blocks of wood. I'll put the blocks of wood on there. And then I'm going to heat this up down here, probably burn my wood, and then put it down on this and see if I can tweak it over. I think what I'm going to do is turn that like this, so it's not down there so far. Let me get my torch and we'll heat this up. But down here is where it looks like it's bent. I got it red hot. Let's see if it'll bend before it gets too... That's the way to do it. Go through this. Let me get her hot again. That's about as good as you could hope for, I think. Well, that worked. I might try to fix those other two. They're like an 1/8 inch off. Good contact all the way across the jaws, so I think we're good.